Hey everyone, ready to master the art of cooking pasta like a true pro? Well, grab your apron because you're just 180 seconds away from becoming a pasta expert. First things first, let's talk about the most crucial part of pasta making. Choosing your pasta. Whether it's spaghetti, fettuccine, or penne, each shape serves a purpose and pairs with different sauces. But no matter your choice, the cooking process stays pretty much the same. Now let's get a large pot and fill it up with water. A good rule of thumb is about 4 quarts of water for every pound of pasta. This might seem like a lot, but trust me, pasta needs room to dance around to cook evenly. Once you've got your water measured out, crank up the heat and bring it to a rolling boil. While waiting, here's a golden tip. Salt the water. And don't be shy. About 2 tablespoons should do the trick. This isn't just to boost the pasta's flavor, but also to enhance the sauce it will eventually hug. Alright, is the water bubbling like a witch's cauldron? Great. It's time to dive in with your pasta. When you add your pasta to the water, give it a quick stir. This prevents the pieces from sticking together or to the bottom of the pot. Now here's where many get it wrong. Timing. You'll find a suggested cooking time on the pasta's package, but I say, start tasting it 2 minutes before that time. Just fish out a piece, let it cool, then taste it. You're aiming for al dente, firm to the bite, not mushy. Remember, it'll continue to cook a bit even after you drain it. Speaking of draining, when your pasta's perfect, save a cup of pasta water before you drain the rest. Why? This starchy water is magic for making your sauce cling to the pasta like they're long-lost lovers. Now for the final flourish, mix your drained pasta with your favorite sauce right in the pan. Add a splash of that pasta water you saved. This helps to integrate the sauce beautifully with the pasta. Stir it over low heat for about a minute to let everything come together. And there you have it. Plate it up, maybe sprinkle some Parmesan or fresh herbs on top, and you've got yourself a dish that screams chef's kiss. So wasn't that a breeze? With these simple steps, you're not just cooking pasta, you're crafting an experience. Keep practicing, tweak things to your taste, and I'm sure you'll be dishing out bowls of perfection in no time. Thanks for sticking with me, and happy cooking, folks.